Good morning, class. How are you today? Are you feeling excited for today's lesson? But before that, let's have a prayer first. So, who wants to volunteer to lead the prayer? Okay, Jonabel, can you please come here in front and lead a prayer? So now, before we start our activity or our lesson for today, let's have a energizer first for you to be energized. Wow, very good. I can see that you're now already energized and ready for today's lesson. But before that, I have here a classroom rules and you must need to follow. The first things first is raise your hand. So when we say raise your hand, it is when you have a answer or question. So raising your hand can be a so that I can notice you when you have something to ask or something to when you have something to answer rather. So the second one is always use kind words. So we must use kind words to our classmates and to our teachers in order for us to have a good classroom environment. So the third one will be a helpful classmate. So when we are a helpful classmate, we have a good relationship with our classmates, not only with our classmates, but to our teachers. So the last one will be keep the classroom clean. So I want to see our classroom very clean in order for our environment to be clean. So here I will present you our lesson objectives for today. So at the end of the lesson, students will be able to list at least 5 major organs of the human body such as brain, heart, lungs, liver, stomach with correct spelling and location. Second one would be at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to explain the primary functions of each major organ using simple age-appropriate language. The last one would be, at the end of the lesson, students will be able to demonstrate their understanding of the functions of major organs by participating in a group activity or presentation with at least 80% accuracy. So now, are you ready for today's lesson? Okay, very good. So, okay class, I have prepared here a 5 scrambled letters and I want you to spell it correctly. So, if you have an answer, just raise your right hand. Okay, Junabel, I can see you raising your right hand. Please answer the number 1. Very good. What's the answer for number 1 again?
Stomach.
Yes, very good. Stomach. Now for the second one, who wants to answer? Okay, Francesca, can you please answer the second one? Okay, very good. For the second one is
Heart.
yes, very good. Now for the third one. Okay, bell. What's the answer for number 3?
Kidney.
Yes, kidney. Very good. A round of applause, please. So, for the fourth one is, who wants to answer for the fourth one? Okay, very good, Charbel. So the correct word for number 4 is
Small intestine.
small intestine. Very good. Now for the last one, who wants to answer? Okay. Ariel, I can see you raising your hand. Okay, for the last one is
Digestion.
yes, very good. A round of applause for participating again. So that's all, everyone. Thank you for participating for the scrambled word.
Now, let's review your learnings in your past topics that we discussed. Okay. I have 5 questions and you need to answer me in oral recitation. Okay. My first question is, what organs filter the blood in our body? Okay,
Kidney.
John Rafael?
Kidney.
Very good. The second question is, where is digestion completed?
Small intestine.
Please raise your hands. Okay, John?
Small intestine.
Very good. Small intestine. The third question is, what do you call the process by which food is broken down and formed into nutrients? Okay, okay, John Rafael?
Digestion.
Very good, digestion. Let's give John Rafael a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's proceed to the fourth question. What organ is being referred to as the largest organ lined with the layers of muscles that squeeze, twisted, and churned the food? Okay, Rafael.
Stomach.
Very good. It's stomach. The last question is, what give us energy to work and play?
Food.
Very good. Now I can see that you really understand your past topic that we discussed. I want you to give yourself a good job clap. Okay, let's do the good job clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
So class, I have your picture and I'm gonna place it here. And all you need to do is to identify this picture because later on, you're gonna describe this. I'm gonna call someone to describe their insight about this picture. Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So I'm gonna give you 1 minute to think about this picture. Okay, time's up. Who wants to answer? Kindly raise your hand. Okay, Keiza.
That's the heart, teacher.
Very good. Okay, Joyce.
Those are lungs, teacher.
Very good. Okay, Keiza.
The heart pumps blood.
Okay, another one, Joyce.
Lungs help us breathe, teacher.
Very good. Okay, those are correct. Kindly give yourself a round of applause, please.
So now I want you to put your hands in the upper part of your left chest. Okay, what do you feel? Okay, nice? Very good. We feel our heartbeat. So what causes the beating of your heart? Okay, Vincent? Very good. It's because of a muscle that pumps blood throughout our body. So give nice and Vincent 5 claps. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we will study the movement of our heart.
So today, class, we will have fun on many food group activity. But before we begin, I will divide you into 2 groups. So each group have a leader, a secretary to write down your answers, and the presenter will be sharing your output in the front of our class. So I have here an activity sheet so that to guide you how to do our activity. So let's let's read together the objectives, the materials, and what to do to your activity today. So your objective is to observe the hard works before and during the given activities. And the materials is stopwatch, pen, and paper. So you need to do to this activity the first one, which is refer the table below before you start your activity. And the next one, which is look for your post, which is your post. And by using your index card and the middle fingers by crease slightly on your wrist. So the next one, you need to count the falls while seated in position for 1 minute and record your data. So this will be your resting rate. And the last one is to do the 3 minutes. So 3 minutes steps test outside and jog in a place for 2 minutes. And count the falls for 1 minute after the activity, record the data and the table, so this being your working rate. And get the differences of working rate to resting falls rate. And the lastly one is you need to assign leader and the group and the secretary when given the data and record to your table. And so now that you have already groups and rules, so let's proceed to our activity. So they called working hard. So working hard, so you need to collaborate. Each group will be collaborate and complete the activity together. And after that, everyone will also do the activity number 2. But before we start, let's recall and recite your work standards together. Are you ready, class? So, the first one is you need to have a respect for each other. So, respect for each other, it is important to your activity today. And the next one is that all group members should do an equal amount of work. And the next one, help each other to understand all concepts. And the next one, be willing to cooperate with others or other ideas. And the next one is listen effectively and communicate your idea clearly. And the next one is finish the stats at the given time. So I already given you 10 minutes. So and the next one, be happy in the group you are in. So excellent. And one more very important, to handle the material carefully. Make sure everything stays in a good condition for everyone to use. Alright, so since you are already, so times is already set up. So the times will be start. Okay? So the time is already start, class.
So, everyone is done? Alright, so today we'll have our presentations about your group output. So we'll have the first presenter, which is the group 1. So group 1, can you present your group output? Alright. So is their answer is correct? Yes, correct. Because what they did is they record their pulse rate. So your pulse rate is a simple way to check your heart is working. So it beats slower when you're resting and faster when you move. So by counting it, you learn how your body reacts and stay healthy. So this activity shows how the heart works harder when you move. So our heart is like a pump. It sends blood with oxygen all over the body. So when we exercise, our body needs more oxygen, so our heart beats faster. So that's why regular exercise is essential and helps keep our heart strong and healthy. So did you get the idea? Alright, so great job everyone. You learned how to find and count your pulse rate. So can we give yourself a round of applause, please? Alright. Now class, let's discuss about how the lungs and the heart work together. For you all to understand our lesson, let's first watch this video.
Your heart is a pump. It's a muscular organ about the size of your fist and is located slightly left of center in your chest. Your heart is divided into the right and left side. The division protects oxygen-rich blood from mixing with oxygen-poor blood. Together, your heart and blood vessels comprise your cardiovascular system, which circulates.
Okay, class. Now that we have discussed, you have already know about how the lungs and heart works together and how they are connected to each other. Let's have a quick recap of what we've discussed. So here's my first question. How does the heart works? Anyone? Yes, Vincent? Very good, Vincent. Let's give Vincent 5 lungs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the heart functions as a pump circulating blood throughout our body to deliver oxygen and nutrients to all cells, removing waste products. How about the lungs? Anyone? Yes, Princess? Very good, Princess. Let's give Princess 5 lungs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The lungs works by exchanging gases and bringing in oxygen into inhaled air and releasing carbon dioxide into exhaled. Who wants to answer my last question? Yes, Jensen? Here is my last question. Jensen, how are you going to take care of your heart and lungs? Very good answer, Jensen. Let's give Jensen a very good clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, class. Now, I already see that you already understand our topic for today. So, give yourselves a round of applause.
I have prepared a question for you to test if you really understand our topic for today. So right now, I want you to get your science notebook and answer the question that I will be pasting on the board. Understand? Okay, very good. So, in 3 to 5 minutes, you will answer this question, and after the time, we will see if you got your answers correct. Okay, time is up. Let's check if you really got a correct answer. So first, let's all read the instruction. Please read, everyone. Write through if the statement is correct and false otherwise. Write your answer on the blank after the number. So for the first question, please all read. Your heart rate is faster when you are at rest. Who wants to answer? Can you please raise your hand? Okay, yes, Riza. What do you think is the answer for number 1? Okay, very good. That's correct. Number 1 is false. How about number 2? Please all read. The lungs are the main organs for breathing. What do you think is the answer for number 2? Who wants to answer? Can you please raise your hand? Okay, Vincent. What do you think is the answer for number 2? Yes, very good. The number 2 is true. How about number 3? Please all read. You take in carbon dioxide and take out oxygen. What is the answer for number 3? Okay, yes, Raz. Can you please tell me what is the answer for number 3? Yes, that's correct. Number 3 is false. How about number 4? Please the removal of carbon dioxide as a waste product in the body. Who wants to answer for number 4? Please raise your hand. Okay, yes, Kirby, what is the answer for number 4? Yes, number 4 is true. How about for the last number? Please all read. The rings move upward when you exhale and move downward when you inhale. What is the correct answer for number 5? Yes, we knew what is the answer for number 5. Yes, that's correct. Number 5 is false. Can you please all stand up for those students who got their answers correct? Yes, let's all give magaling clap to all students who answered. Do you know how to do magaling clap? No. Okay. Watch me first and let's do it together. That's how we do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Magaling, magaling, magaling. Let's all stand and let's all clap your classmates. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Magaling, magaling, magaling. Now I can really see that you really understand our topic for today.
Alright class, today we'll observe how the heart reacts to activity. You will check your pulse before and after activity. And please follow each steps carefully and make sure to record your results clearly. Group leaders takes charge of gathering the final data. Good work everyone, we just learned how your heart rate changes with activity. This one way we know a heart doing its job, and remember, a healthy heart responds well to exercise. Keep your data safe everyone, and we'll use this discussion for our next class.